gosh, I'm back. I am back. I have missed you guys so much. Auntie Tay, thank you for having me. I am Drea with Clueless Mama D, and I help moms live a thrifty lifestyle while laughing their way through motherhood. And that means my DIYs are always super awesome, super adorable, and super affordable. I have missed you guys. I should do a happy dance. Would you like to see my happy dance? So awkward. Alright guys, I don't want to blabber too much because I can do that, believe me. Spring is around the corner. Matter of fact, it's tomorrow. So if you just are missing something, a little accent piece for your house, I got you covered with this beautiful dollar store DIY. Is it in my hair? I am totally obsessed with lavender this year. Last spring, I think it was yellow that I was obsessed with, but this year I took it home with the lavender, and Dollartree has these little lavender flowers, and so does a lot of dollar stores that I picked it up. So check out your Dollartree. I also got this there as well. It's their flower garden, but I souped it up. It didn't look like this. So I'm gonna show you how you can make this to suit your home in just a second. But before I jump to that, make sure you subscribe to Auntie Tay if you haven't already. And I would love to get to know you better. So in the description is a video on how I actually styled this piece that I'm showing you. If you want like inspiration on like an Easter centerpiece or something like that, check out the link in the description, which will take you to my channel and you can subscribe. Let's get to the DIY.
You'll need your flowers of choice. I decided not to go with the white Dollartree flowers. I'm using that for something else. And just some rope to give it that farmhouse feel, and garden foam, and a glue gun. Pray for me, I'm using the heavy duty one. And whatever spray paint you have kicking around. So I literally just spray painted that. Below is some other DIYs I did. And I just used a primer so it was kind of a matte finish. And I decided I liked the way it looked rather than painting over the flowers and garden, just kind of leaving it white. So here I'm just deciding which of my ropes to use, and I think I just like the thicker better. What do you guys think? I can't believe I did not burn myself in this, guys. I always burn myself. And that's why I've not used the heavy duty one very often. But everything went smooth. So you're just gonna put it along the top, and when you go to meet, just wanna put it nice and tight there, and just make sure whatever side you're gonna have as the back has the side where the two meet there, like that. But yeah, I think it kind of looks nice like that, just kind of popping out. Really simple, guys. All my DIYs are simple and easy. Anybody can do it. I just glued that down, loosely glued it in case I want to change it in the future. And then I just cut the stems because I don't know what happened to my actual stem cutter, but these things came apart pretty easily. Now to fill it out, I made sure to glue some to the side of the foam as well. And then after I've got them going on the side, I just kind of stick them in, and you guys get the drift. What's your favorite flower for spring or summer? This was so easy and pretty. I've already gotten compliments on it from visitors. This is just some other pieces I put together, but make sure you hit the link in the description if you want to see how I actually styled this as a centerpiece, and a bonus Easter centerpiece idea, thrifted and Dollartree. Thanks, Tay, and till the next video that I do a takeover. Love you, lovelies.